Conjunctions, and now we will come to adverbs. What is the difference between adverb and adverbial conjunctions? Adverbial conjunctions usually connect two different ideas, two different units of ideas. So, for example, if you have the word moreover, that means there are two ideas, one that comes before it and one that comes after it. And the word moreover is joining those two ideas or is somehow relating those two ideas. Adverbs, on the other hand, they qualify an adverb or a verb or an adjective. So basically, adverbs they generally qualify an adjective, an adverb, or a verb. On the other hand, adverbial conjunctions they usually more so act like conjunctions, apart from adding some kind of information. So let's come to this here. Adverbs, unlike adverbial conjunctions, don't connect sentences. Please understand, they don't connect sentences. They modify verbs, adjectives, and sometimes entire sentences. By modifying words, phrases, or sentences, adverbs give a different meaning to already stated ideas. Some of the most common adverbs are also, to, even, just, already, only, still, etc. Imagine she also wants to learn Spanish. Suppose if I have a sentence, simply a simple sentence like this, you would wonder what is the function of the role, or what is the role or the function of the adverb also. She also wants to learn Spanish. That means there is someone else who wants to learn Spanish, and that is why I have further added by saying that she also wants to learn Spanish. Suppose if I say that Mary's sister wants to learn Spanish, and Mary also wants to learn Spanish. In that case, the word also makes complete sense. Why? Because a similar thing has happened before. Let's take this example here. She is unhappy too. The presence of the adverb too indicates that a similar idea is required before this sentence. Not having that idea makes the sentence a little illogical. So you can say that she is poor and she is unhappy too. That means apart from being poor, she is unhappy as well. That is how we understand that two is basically adding some kind of similar idea that comes before this sentence, and that is how we can connect them together. So we have seen that just the way we can use adverbial conjunctions to connect ideas, adverbs also can be used to connect ideas. Now, for example, the adverb already. India is on the verge of losing the match. It has already lost 7 wickets. Now, when you get to know that it has already lost 7 wickets, you connect that idea with the previous idea, which is India is on the verge of losing the match. It has already lost 7 wickets. So that is how we can use adverbs to connect two different ideas and form units of ideas. Again, I repeat that you can use adverbs, you can use adverbial conjunctions, you can use the rule of specific and generic idea. You can use the rule of magnitude of ideas to keep ideas together. And once you have formed units of ideas together, you can always create a coherent paragraph.